Welcome to Lapoint in Costa Rica. I'm Mila, I'm a social host here, and I'm gonna take you guys for a tour in the camp. So the first thing you see when you walk into our amazing camp is our pool area with all our lovely guests in it. So this is our lovely pool area centered in the middle of the jungle here in Costa Rica. We have our whole common area around the pool, so no matter where you are, you can always see the pool, the jungle and the beautiful palm trees. And you can always take a dip, tan or play volleyball. Right next to the pool we have the bar with our beautiful bartender in it, and right now she's making me an espresso martini, which is my favorite drink, and it's amazing. Whenever you feel like it, if you want an iced coffee or a beer, or if you're in a party mood and you want a tequila shot or you want a cocktail, Sarah can always make it for you, don't worry.
You killed me!
Oh my god! This is our lounge area. Perfect place to chill. We play card games here, and when it's raining we watch movies, and if you want a break from the sun you can just chill here. It's the perfect space to relax and be social. On the board behind me you can see all the activities you can do when we're not surfing. We have 2 days a week where we don't surf, but we have so many activities here you can do. This is our kitchen. Here we serve the breakfast buffet, lunch and dinner as well. It's our local staff who's making the food every day, and it's really good. Here's another social host.
Hi guys!
Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Nico. I'm from Denmark. I've been a social host here at the Point for about 4 months now, and I've loved every second of it, so I hope to see you soon.
Let's go to our favorite part, the surf shack.
That's my favorite part too. Pura vida!
Welcome to where I start all my mornings. We have all different kinds of surfboards here in the surf shack. We have a lot of soft tops for you who are just starting to surf. If you're a beginner, we have different sizes of soft tops. We also have hard tops for you who are level 3 or level 2. We have shortboards for you who are more experienced, and we have local amazing surf instructors here every day helping you to find the perfect board for you. Let's head to the room, aka our beautiful bungalows, where you're gonna stay. This is one of our bungalows, a 6-person dorm. It is perfect if you're a group of friends who wants to stay together, but it's also perfect if you're a solo traveler who want to make new friends. We also have 4 showers here, right next to the pool and the surf shack. So before you go into the pool, you can just take a shower, or if you went surfing and you want to rinse the salt water off, you can just do it here. Welcome to our private bungalow. It's perfect for couples. One time we had a couple here who spent their honeymoon. That was really nice. It's also perfect for best friends if you want to spend some time together alone. And it's even perfect for a solo traveler who just wants some private room now and then. The best thing about the camp is that the beach is only a 5-minute walk away. So I'm gonna go for a sunset surf now, and I hope to see you guys here. And remember, Pura vida!